Ready? Start. Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar on Saturday justified scrutiny of Chinese investment in India, saying it's common sense to do so because of the border issue and the state of relations between the two countries. At the 80 World Leaders Forum, the minister said even those countries which don't have a special problem with China do the same, underlining the security implications of Chinese investments. Jaisankar said there is a thin line between economic and security issues, as he emphasized that while the world has a general China problem, India has a special China problem that is over and above the world's China problem. Once you understand that because there is a general problem with China as well as our own situation. All of you know we have a very difficult situation at the border for the last 4 years. I think the sensible response to it is to take the precautions that a country like India is taking, the minister added. While stressing it has never been government's position that it would not get investments from China on increasing trade deficit with China. Jaishankar said it is because decades ago we concisely overlooked the nature of Chinese production and the advantages which they enjoyed in a system where they got a level playing field with all the advantages they brought. Europe doesn't have a border with China. America doesn't have a border with China. And yet they are doing that. The issue is not do you have is investments with China or not. It is not a yes or no answer. It is what should be the appropriate level of scrutiny and how should you handle it, Jaishankar said, talking about India's relations with its immediate neighbors. The foreign minister said it's important for India and its neighbors to invest in each other as it would lead to a more resilient region. On relations with new government in Bangladesh, he said he was not in a hurry to call out the situation and was prepared to wait a few months for things to fructify. He said India has created factors of stability in the neighborhood like those that have kicked in Maldives, a country with which ties have improved despite susceptibles. Our neighbors know they got vaccines because of us. Also, fertilizers had Sri Lanka waited for IMF. God alone knows what would have happened. Stop.